Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to study about process to do education in Italy. Many students have dream to study in Europe. For them, Italy is the best destination because in Italy, the universities charge zero fees or minimum fees, and the Italian government will give you 7 lakhs per year scholarship for each student, any non-European student. For that, you need to find whether you are going for masters, bachelors, MBBS or PhD. Let us discuss one by one. If you are planning for bachelors, the bachelor's degree takes 4 years to complete in Italy. For that, you need to complete your 12th with minimum 60% of marks or percentage in India. For applying these universities, you need English proficiency certificate, which can be IELTS, TOEFL, etc. Or some universities also take based on medium of instruction, which is this is a certificate which you need to take from your university or your college. For bachelors, you need to show 28 lakhs in your account while filing a visa. Don't worry, I will explain how to get 28 lakhs loan without any collateral. 28 lakhs is because the cost of living in Italy as per Italian government, which is 7 lakhs per year. If you multiply 7 into 4, which equals to 28 lakhs. Just you need to show these funds in your account while filing a visa. If you want to do MBBS program, which takes 6 years to complete, same, these universities or these course also need 12th class certificates with 60% of marks. Along with that, you need to qualify NEET exam with a minimum marks, and IMAT exam is compulsory, which is International Medical Admission Test to get admission into English teaching programs. Many students think that whether the Italian MBBS degree is valid in India or not. What we can do after 6 years of MBBS in Italy? You no need to worry about this, because after completing your MBBS in Italy, Indian government or Indian Medical Council will conduct one exam to people who completed their MBBS in abroad. You people need to qualify this exam. The exam called FMGE or next exam. For MBBS, you need to show 42 lakhs in your bank account while filing your visa. Next, coming to masters. Masters takes 2 years to complete the course. For that, you need to complete the degree or bachelor's with minimum of 60% in India. Some universities ask for English proficiency examination scores such as IELTS or TOEFL. Some universities take students or admissions based on medium of instructions, which you need to get it from your previously studied university. For masters, you need to show around 14 lakh rupees in your account while filing a visa. There are many steps involved in this process. To join any course, first you need to choose your course, what you want to study. Choosing a right course is very important. The course should relate your bachelor's and your masters also, if you are going to masters. After choosing your course, search which universities are offering this course. Later you need to know whether these courses are teach in English or Italian. The second step is to apply for universities. To apply any university, you need some documents. The documents are a valid passport, educational certificates. If you are planning for MBBS or bachelor's, you need 12th certificate. If you are planning for masters, you need degree, original degree along with transcript or consolidated marks card. Next, you need English language certificate, which is called English proficiency certificate. Statement of purpose. Here you need to mention why you want to choose that particular course, how it is related to your previous study. And later you need a letter of recommendation, which you need to get it from your professors from your previously studied college. After applying for universities, you need to wait for some time to get a response from university. If you are selected, then you get pre-acceptance letter and pre-enrollment summary. If you don't get admission, you receive a mail like this. After getting the pre-acceptance letter, the next step is to prepare documents in India. The first, you need to prepare your educational documents. If you are planning for bachelor's or MBBS, you need a 12th certificate which is to be authenticated by your board. If you want to study masters, then you need your original degree and transcript which should be authenticated by your university board, which takes around 30 days to authenticate these documents. During this gap, you can prepare a scholarship documents. You can see the scholarship documents here. On family composition certificate and no property certificate, you need to get a signature from any local level officer. After getting your educational documents, after completing all the HRD process, authentication process, you need to send the educational documents and scholarship documents to Delhi for doing apostille and legalization. This takes around 5 to 6 days to come your documents back to your hometown. For this process, you need to contact any brokers. They know each and everything they will do. If you want, you can contact me. The next step, after getting your educational documents ready, you need to apply for DOV or SIMA. For applying DOV, it costs around 700 rupees in India. If you want to apply for SIMA, then it costs around 30,000 rupees. The time period for DOV is 30 days and the time period for SIMA is around 5 to 15 days. In DOV or SIMA process, they will take all your educational documents. They convert our Indian grades into Italian grade and they provide DOV like this. You can see on screen. The DOV looks like this. Many people choose DOV if you have time. The DOV takes around 30 days. Once you get DOV or SIMA, the next step is to apply for visa. You can see the checklist on screen. I will explain each point very clearly in upcoming video. I also explain about one and the same certificate, how to get it, where to get it, whether it is valid or not. I will also explain whether you need to go with consultancy or self. I will also explain how to get a loan, how to write a TOEFL exam, how I will help you, everything. In upcoming video, I will clearly explain about how to arrange funds for Italian visa process. No need to worry about that. Without funds, you won't get visa. So don't skip the video. Whether you are a self-sponsored or you are sponsored by someone who is your auntie or uncle, grandfather or grandmother, in case of your parents are not there. In case your father or mother is a self-employed or your family living on rental income or your father is a farmer or any businessman, I will help you in this regard. No need to worry about that. For more information, you can join to our WhatsApp group. The link is in description. You can click and join in the WhatsApp group and Telegram group also. For more updates, you can please subscribe my YouTube channel for further updates. Your support is very important to make videos like this, which will motivate me to do content like this. Thank you all. See you in next video.